The next tutorial under our GIS is to work with map layers. Map layers are referenced or references to data sources such as points, line, and polygon shapefiles, geodatabase, feature classes, raster images, and so forth, representing the spatial features that can be displayed on a map. This ArcMap displays map layers from a map document, such as the first tutorial we did, opening and to save a ArcGIS or ArcMap document. But a map document does not contain copies of map layers. The map layers files remain external to the map document wherever they exist on the computer storage media. What we're going to do now is we use this map document table of contents, TOC, for the map layer. And how do we do that? Good. For us to turn on the layer and turn off layer, what we expected to do is to check this box here. Once I check this box, I turn it off. You can see it's not displaying Nigeria boundary. But once I check it back, I take the box, we have the entire boundary for Nigeria. So next thing to deal with now is as we know that before the existence of GIS, map makers have drawn different separate layers and clear plastic sheet, and they attack this sheet for map composition. Now with respect to GIS, it's very easy for us to have all layers arranged in one places under this TOC. So like I've told you at the time, for you to off the layer, you check this box, and for you to on it back, you check the same box. So now the next thing to do is to add another layer, and we'll be trying to explain how to remove map layers too. So how do I add map layer? You right click on the add button, add data. There are a lot of methods you can use there. So since I'm connected to the folder I'm working with, but in case you don't know how to connect to your folder, this is the icon for connecting your folder. So once I connect my folder, it will bring where I'm saving all my works. So as we know, I'm working with Nigeria dataset. So now I have the layer for the entire Nigeria boundary. So I'll be adding the new data shapefile, which comprises of all the states within Nigeria. And if I right click again, I will add data. Since I've connected to the folder, there is no need for me disturbing my save folder. So then I'll add more data. This represents the local government in each state. So this is how to add data in ArcGIS or ArcMap. And how do you turn this off and turn it on? I've explained earlier. You check this box, you on it back, check this box, you on it back, check this box, you on it back. That's it for that. That's it for this. So that is all about adding and removing map layers. And for you to remove, you right click, you see the remove button, you click remove, you right click, you remove. As you can see, we can find all those features under the layer in our table of contents anymore. So that is all about adding and removing map layers. So in case we are using relative paths, when we are trying to add layers to map, ArcMap stores the path in the map document, and when I open the map, ArcMap locates the layer data. But in case it doesn't work that way, if you recall from the first tutorial I did, you notice that there's some symbols, there's some reddish symbols this box is trying to bring at the right hand side here, like an exclamation mark, which means I have to give this ArcMap a reference folder where this existing layer is. In case I was unable to find that from the first tutorial, that means this layer is a waste. But since I've gotten where I saved the work to, then what I'll just do is right click, then go to your data. This repair data source will be useful as done from the first tutorial. So that is all about using relative path. But since I'm not making it a relative path here, I already have the working folder, and I've connected the working folder to this ArcGIS workflow. So that is all about you adding and removing map layer in ArcGIS. Thank you.